Every time you see a solar panel on a rooftop or in a vast solar farm, you're witnessing the marvel of modern technology and the future of sustainable energy. But have you ever wondered how these sleek, shiny panels, capable of turning sunlight into electricity, are created? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating journey of solar panel production, from raw materials to the cutting-edge technology that powers our planet. Stick around because this story might just change how you see the future of energy. Solar panels are more than just devices, they symbolize a global commitment to renewable energy and sustainability. As the demand for clean energy grows, so does the innovation in solar panel manufacturing. From the silicon that forms their core to the precision assembly lines in state-of-the-art factories, every step of the process is a testament to human ingenuity. Let's unravel the journey of how solar panels are made. The story begins with silicon, the second most abundant element on Earth. Raw silicon is mined from quartz, a common mineral found in sand and rocks. The quartz is transported to a refinery where it's subjected to extreme temperatures of over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This process purifies the silicon into its crystalline form, which is essential for converting sunlight into electricity. The purified silicon is then shaped into large ingots, solid blocks of crystal that form the foundation of solar cells. Once the silicon ingots are ready, they are sliced into thin wafers using ultra-precise diamond wire saws. These wafers are just a fraction of a millimeter thick, yet they are the building blocks of solar panels. Each wafer is inspected for quality, as even the tiniest defect can affect its efficiency. The wafers are then polished to a mirror-like finish to prepare them for the next step. The silicon wafers are transformed into solar cells through a process called doping. This involves adding small amounts of other elements like phosphorus and boron to create a positive and negative layer. These layers work together to generate an electric field, which is crucial for converting sunlight into electricity. The solar cells are then treated with an anti-reflective coating to maximize their ability to absorb sunlight, giving them their signature blue or black color. The completed solar cells are now ready to be assembled into a panel. Workers or automated robots arrange the cells in rows, connecting them with thin wires to form an electrical circuit. The cells are sandwiched between layers of tempered glass, a plastic sheet, and a protective backsheet to ensure durability. The entire assembly is then sealed with a high-tech laminate to protect it from moisture, dust, and extreme weather conditions. To provide structure and support, a lightweight aluminum frame is added around the panel. This frame also makes it easier to mount the panel on rooftops or solar farms. A junction box is attached to the back of the panel, housing the electrical components needed to transfer the generated electricity to an inverter. Before a solar panel is shipped, it undergoes rigorous quality testing. Panels are exposed to extreme heat, freezing temperatures, and high humidity to ensure they can withstand harsh environmental conditions. Simulated sunlight is used to test their energy output, guaranteeing efficiency and reliability. Only panels that pass these stringent tests make it to the market. The finished panels are carefully packaged and shipped to distributors and installers worldwide. Once they reach their destination, they are installed on rooftops, solar farms, or portable devices, ready to capture the sun's energy and convert it into electricity. Solar panels are not just about producing clean energy, their manufacturing process is becoming increasingly eco-friendly. Many factories now run on renewable energy themselves, and recycling programs are being developed to reuse old panels. Solar energy systems reduce carbon footprints, save money on energy bills, and contribute to a greener planet. From humble grains of quartz to cutting-edge solar farms, the journey of a solar panel is a remarkable blend of science, technology, and sustainability. Solar panels are not just a product, they are a promise of a brighter, cleaner future. The next time you see one, you'll know the incredible story behind its creation, a story of innovation and hope. What's your take on solar energy? Would you switch to solar power for your home or business? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to inspire others to embrace sustainable energy solutions.